Why sync your language learning app with Google Calendar?
Syncing your language learning app with Google Calendar helps you stay consistent and organized. By scheduling daily practice sessions, you're more likely to build a lasting habit. Automatic reminders keep you on track, and tracking your progress is easier when sessions appear alongside other daily tasks. This simple integration turns language learning into a regular, manageable part of your routine.
Check app compatibility and export options.
Start by checking if your language learning app supports calendar integration or exports. Many popular apps like Duolingo offer calendar reminders or export features. Look in your app's settings for calendar syncing or export to .ics file options. If your app doesn't support direct syncing, you may still be able to use third-party automation tools to connect it to Google Calendar.
Connect your app to Google Calendar.
For apps with built-in syncing, grant permission to connect to your Google account. Follow the app prompts to link your calendar. Events for study sessions will automatically appear in your Google Calendar. If your app allows you to export an .ics file, download it and manually import it into Google Calendar to create scheduled events.
Using third-party automation tools.
If direct syncing isn't available, consider using platforms like IFTTT or Zapier. These services can automate scheduling by connecting your language app or reminder emails to Google Calendar. For example, set up a trigger, such as completing a lesson, to create a calendar event. This approach works well for apps that don't support Google Calendar integration natively.
Tips for making the most of your schedule.
Personalize your calendar events to fit your learning style. Use color coding to highlight language sessions, add specific learning goals in the event descriptions, and set up repeat reminders for consistency. Review your calendar each week to adjust times or intensity as needed. By customizing your schedule, you'll make daily practice a seamless part of your day.